Hello guys, in this short video we're going to show you how to create an API in ByBit. You'll start by going to the ByBit homepage and after logging in, click your email address in the top right corner and choose the first option, Account and Security. On the next page we'll go to the API Management tab, where we can see the APIs if there are any. We'll click the Create a New Key button in the top right corner to create a new key, evidently. Now it's important to choose for binding to a third-party application. We'll leave the trading view in the first drop-down field and select active order positions in the second field. This will give the bot permissions to execute orders on the ByBit account. You can also find all the information you want in the Discord under the announcements channel. Last but not least, we use the two-factor authentication token from the Authenticator app, which is the one we linked to ByBit in the previous video. So fill in the token and click Confirm. It's always a good idea to back up the API key and the private key somewhere safe, just in case you need it. So I'm going to copy it and paste it in a notepad and save it somewhere safe. Although if needed you can always return to this page as well if you want to check your keys. So that would be all for this video. Thank you for watching, bye bye.